Okay, so like a lot of you have been asking for another 10-minute video, so here you go. Hope that you guys like this video because it took forever to make. Yeah, 10 minutes is a long time when you spend it burping. It's not as easy as you would think. Okay. Okay. And sometimes you get stomach pains from burping too much. I don't know if it's just me or not, but just realized I need a subtitle when I talk. That is not gonna be fun. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Barney the dinosaur. Yup, definitely. I'm glowing. What? This is gonna take long. Eh. Ah. Uh, Look at my brother. He's a bit stuck. Ah. Ah. Uh, Stop saying I'm pretty. Cause pretty cause it's been finding us alone in the kitchen. I like cheese. What Beep 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 beep. Ah 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 the storage limit now. No. Why me? Strawberry as big as a scab. I feel fat. Isn't this lighting flattering? I feel so fat right now. I think I need to take a break. Never mind. The sun. The sun. Talking is fun. Yeah. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I feel so fat. My tummy hurts. My heart's a stereo. Beats for you, so listen close. Do you like tomatoes? Peaches. I love you. Dream on. Sing with me. Sing for the year. Sing for the laughter. And sing for the tear. Like waffles. Laughing a lot at these burps off camera. So like, you guys reuse this sound. Oh no, I have the hiccups. Dudes, I just got the hiccups. Yep. I like having the hiccups. They're pretty fun. Some people don't like hiccups. I respect that. I respect that. I just like hiccuping. It's happening. The page breakthrough is coming. I waited so long. I was worried I would have to have my brother finish this for me, and I can talk again. I don't feel fat anymore. You know why? Because of the breakthrough. Yeah! I can burp freely again. Yeah! I don't know what that was. Let's do it again. Don't you love those? Don't you love those dog toys? That sound like this. I thought I could imitate the sound, but I couldn't. Thanks for watching, everyone. Yay. And then no one watched. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.